What is up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Stav here, bringing you guys a brand new video finally. I'm very sorry that I haven't been uploading in about a month, maybe more, but it's all going to be worth it for this video as I have been working towards what I'm about to do for you guys today. If you guys don't already know, I used to have a Subaru Impreza, a 2008 model, but unfortunately I did sell that due to wanting a different car, and today is the video that I'm going to be revealing what car I'm going to have for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
Feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right, yeah. I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet.
This is my brand new 2011 Audi A1 S-Line. It is a major upgrade from my last car, which was a Subaru. It's on the channel. It's been on the channel before, so if you guys don't know what that is, just go like my previous videos and just look for it. But it is a pretty big upgrade as this is a 1.4 litre turbo and supercharged. But I am very proud to have it, and I do plan to do a lot of things to it on the channel to like make it a journey for us together to go through. But yeah guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and leave any video suggestions on what you guys want to see next. Other than that, I hope you guys are having a great day today. I know I am, but be sure you're smiling, be sure you're happy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
I might link my ting from barking, 7 AM in the morning, she's calling.